Chris Arnold, and I invented non-detonation nanodiamond, and Nanolube Incorporated distributes this product under license with a registered trademark of Quicken and nano-lubrication products for all industries. What you will see is the pivot bearing housing. What you will hear is the decrepit howling of failed load-bearing surfaces and the effects of superior nano-lubrication. Good bearings that are treated with nanolube before failure can last 10 to 30 times longer than normal greased bearings and without the parasitic losses that grease is known to provide at no charge. After viewing the video, you'll understand why our motto is "There's no stickin' with Quicken." The pivot bearing is poorly lubricated. The worn out pivot bearing before treatment. 24 hours after treatment. Listen again, before and after treatment. Tube. Before treatment with Quicken nanolubrication. And that was almost fully open. "24 hours after treatment."
How much of that gallon you guys got left?
Probably half.
Okay, well, take about a cup and mix it up with some of your grease and recharge that grease thing and run that nano grease down through those bearings, and it'll quiet down everything it touches too. Because a little bit is better than none.
Yeah.
And I mean, this thing will be quiet and you won't have to rebalance it, but they'll want to do that anyway.
Yeah.
But it'll really quiet down.
Wow. Can't you tell a difference in the way it sounds from what it was doing when we were sitting here trying to blow oil down through that tube and all?
Well, now, yeah. I mean, how long?